Let me ask you something. Have you ever sat down to rest, and instead of feeling calm, you felt guilty? Like you should be doing something more productive? Answering emails, finishing tasks, improving yourself somehow. Somewhere along the way, many of us were taught that rest equals laziness, that slowing down means falling behind. But what if I told you, rest isn't a weakness, it's not a failure, and it's definitely not wasted time. Rest is one of the most powerful healing practices your body and mind have. I once worked with someone who felt exhausted all the time. They pushed through busy days, skipped breaks, stayed up late, believing success meant constant motion. But the more they pushed, the less focused they became, the more anxious they felt, and the further their energy dropped. When they finally allowed themselves intentional rest, not scrolling, not multitasking, just a true pause, something shifted. Their sleep improved, their patience grew, their creativity returned. Because rest isn't the opposite of progress. It's what makes progress sustainable. Your nervous system resets. Your hormones rebalance. Your mind processes emotions. Your body repairs itself. Let's reframe this together. Rest is not failure. Rest is not falling behind. Rest is listening to your body. Rest is self-respect. Rest is long-term well-being. Sometimes rest looks like a nap. Sometimes it's journaling, stretching, or sipping tea quietly. Sometimes it's saying no without guilt. A rested mind makes clearer decisions. A rested body builds resilience. A rested heart shows more compassion, even toward itself. Healing doesn't happen when you constantly push. Healing happens in the pauses. So today, I invite you to try something simple. Take 5 minutes, without justification, without apology, and rest. Notice how it feels. Notice what your body tells you. And if this message resonated with you, follow along for more mindful wellness reflections and gentle self-care guidance. Because you deserve a life where caring for yourself is never mistaken for failing. Rest well.